Hey everyone, Ben from Voightsmith Innovation. This video is going to cover a metal Pless install and functionality on our wheel loaders. We have a Cat 906 and a Cat 924K. They're going to be similar to other wheeled loaders, but this is what we have to use to go over. The metal Pless plows come standard with a three-way switch that gets mounted in the cab. All this is doing is redirecting the hydraulic flow going to the plow, and it directs it towards the center mold board or each wing depending on which way you have the switch set. This is the standard harness that comes with a metal Pless plow. It's got to be hooked up to 12 volt power, and then the switch gets mounted somewhere in the cab. We use this on our Cat 924 because it doesn't have the Cat connector. So in addition to your wiring connection, you also make your two hydraulic connections to the machine. Anyone that has a metal Pless knows that hydraulic lines can be the biggest pain of this machine. On this machine, we've connected a stucky block that helps connect the hydraulic lines even when they're under pressure. That's all it takes. Now your hydraulic lines are ready to go. You don't have to crack any lines. It's going to work great. If you're interested in getting one of these stucky blocks for your hydraulic connections, which work on any hydraulic connection, not just snowplow equipment, get a hold of us. We're going to be a supplier for them. We can help you out and even install them for you. So the standard switch that comes with the metal Pless plows, it's just a three-way switch. It looks different than this one, but we used a custom switch, but with the same wiring. When it's in the center, it's controlling your mold board. When it's one direction, it's controlling your right or left wing. And when it's the other direction, it controls the other wing. So right now we're in the center mold board position. And that's going to turn the plow right or left. Then when we switch it over to the right wing, that's going to redirect the hydraulic fluid into that line. And now you can control that wing all the way out, all the way back in. When you click it into the other direction, it switches the hydraulic fluid to that line, and now you have control of the other wing. This gives you full control of your plow. You can do a windrow, you can do a scoop plow, back drag, any configuration you want. Most of the skid loaders and wheel loaders you guys are running are going to have an 8-pin or 14-pin on it, like our 906 has. We can retrofit your standard metal Pless harness with a connector that'll match your machine. This makes installation a lot more simple because you don't have to run a switch into the cab and another wire to the battery, and it's very easy to connect. That's all it is, and now you're ready to plow. So by hardwiring into the 906, your three-way switch is now up here by the steering wheel. That can be controlled with your left hand. All that is your center mold board, your right wing, and your left wing. On your joystick is where you're going to have your hydraulic control, and that's going to turn you one way or the other, and it's either going to control your mold board or one of your two wings, depending on which setting you have your switch on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. These metal Pless plows really are game changers, and there's one for nearly any piece of equipment. Give us a call or send us a message if you're interested, and we'll get you set up.